Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and I get asked this question all the time. If I delete my Google account, what will go away? And I'm going to show you the answer in this video. So the question most recently was about my Google Photos. So if I delete my account, will my Google Photos go away? And will other people be able to get to them after I delete them? Let me show you what happens when you go to delete your Google account. If you go to right here and anywhere, you go to it from, it's easiest to get it from your inbox. And you click on the, my account, and you go to manage your Google account. You got to get to manage your Google account, which is myaccount.google.com, as long as you're logged into Google. And if I go to data and privacy, if I scroll down here, right here, more options, delete your Google account. Click on that. Now, here, it says clearly right here, please read this carefully. It's not the usual yada yada. Read this carefully. You're going to delete your Google account, which provides access to other Google services. You'll no longer be able to access any of these services, and your account and data will be lost. You could also lose access to services outside of Google where you use this email address to get to it. If you use your email address as a recovery email for your bank account, you may not be able to recover your bank account. If you proceed, you need to update your email address everywhere you use it outside of Google. Furthermore, it says you can download your data before you delete your account. Now, Google's looked at burrisconsulting@gmail.com and discovered there's 31 email messages in there that may go away. There are a bunch of photos. All your photos will be deleted. There's a YouTube channel associated with this account. It will be deleted. There's a Google Calendar with 2 calendars and 16 events in the last month. It will be deleted. And I have 12 contacts that will also be deleted. Now, this is interesting. It does not reference my Google Drive. I don't know what's going to happen to my Google Drive. I believe, based on calendar and contacts and photo going away, the Google Drive is going to go away as well. But it doesn't say that, which is really pretty interesting. However, I have to go with the assumption that it is all going to be deleted when I acknowledge that I'm still responsible for any changes occurred due to pending financial transactions. Yes, I want to permanently listen. Look what it says. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. All of it. So it's clear right here that photos is going to go away, Gmail, calendar, contacts. What's not clear is Drive, but I'm pretty certain that Drive is going to go away as well. The moment I click yes, yes, and hit delete account. Do not assume for any reason that your Google data will still be there associated with this Google account once you delete it. You must assume that it is all going to go away and no one will ever be able to access it again. This feature that I'm speaking to is very clearly regarding gmail.com accounts. Any Google Workspace account you have is managed by the domain administrator. You do not have the ability to delete your account, your Google account, in a Google Workspace domain. You do have the ability to remove specific services that you are no longer using, but you cannot delete your account. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful to you.